Welcome to this video. In this video we are discussing about that hormones are produced in human body. The hormones produced in the human body in a wide range array of hormones which are chemically messengers that regulates the various bodily functions. These hormones are secreted by endocrine glands and travel through the bloodstream to reach the target cells and tissues. Okay, hormones are produced in the human body. Hormones are also called chemical messengers because these hormones are transfer the message from brain to the various parts of the human body. Okay, and various other functions. These hormones are secreted by endocrine glands. The where the hormones are secreted means these hormones are secreted in endocrine glands and travel through the bloodstream for the particular tissues and cells of the body. The bloodstream to reach the target cells and tissues. Okay. The human body produces a wide array of hormones, each with specific functions. Key hormones including those involved in growth, metabolism, reproduction, stress response and sleep. In human body, the various types of hormones are produced. Each one carries their specific functions. The key hormone are hormones involved in growth, hormones involved in metabolism, reproduction, stress response and sleep. The key hormones including in the metabolism like insulin and thyroid, growth hormones, and reproduction like estrogen and testosterone. Another important hormones including cortisol. Cortisol is for stress response, melatonin for sleep and adrenaline for fight. First we look forward for the thyroid hormone. Thyrodoxine T3 and thyroxine T4. These hormones produced in the thyroid gland are crucial for regulating the metabolism, growth and development of the human body. Okay. These thyroid hormones are produced in the thyroid glands where thyroxine and thyrodoxine hormones are produced in thyroid glands, and these are help in the regulation of metabolism, growth and development of the human body. Next one is reproductive hormones. So many reproductive hormones is there like estrogen, testosterone, progesterone, follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone and prolactin. First we look forward for estrogen hormones. Primarily produced in ovaries, estrogen plays a key role in female sexual development, the menstrual cycle and pregnancy. Estrogen is primarily produced in ovaries. Ovaries means ovaries are present in men or women. Ovaries are present in women. Okay. Estrogen are only produced in women. Primarily produced in the ovaries, estrogen plays a key role in female sexual development and the menstrual cycle and pregnancy. Okay. These hormones is help to development of female sexual development, menstrual cycle and pregnancy in women. Okay. Next one, testosterone. These testosterone are produced in testes. Where testis is produced? In men. Okay. Testosterone is essential for male sexual development, muscle growth and bone density in men. Okay, you got the difference between testosterone and estrogen. Estrogen is produced in the ovaries of the woman and testosterone is produced in the testes of men. Okay, estrogen is help to development of female sexual characters in women and testosterone is help to development of male sexual development in men, and it's also help for muscle growth and bone density in men. Next one, progesterone. Produced in ovaries, progesterone is vital for menstrual cycle and pregnancy. Where progesterone are produced in ovaries of human. Okay. It's help for the menstrual cycle and pregnancy. Next one is follicle stimulating hormone FSH and luteinizing hormone LH. These hormones produced by the pituitary glands stimulate the ovaries and testes to produce their respective hormones and play a role in egg and sperm production. Okay, you know where and egg production and sperm production is occur. These follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormones are responsible for producing the ovaries and testes in the respective hormones and play a vital role in egg and sperm production. Egg production in women and sperm production in men. Okay. Prolactin. It's produced in the pituitary gland. Follicle stimulating and luteinizing hormone and prolactin hormone. These are all produced in the pituitary gland. Okay. Prolactin stimulates the milk production in women. Where the prolactin hormone is produced, it's in men or women? It's in women. It's help to production of milk. Okay. Next one is pancreatic hormones. The pancreatic hormones like insulin and glucagon. First we look forward for insulin. It's produced by the pancreas. Insulin helps regulating the blood sugar level by allowing cells to absorb the glucose. Okay, insulin is the hormone produced by the pancreas. Insulin helps to regulate the blood sugar level by allowing cells to absorb the glucose. Okay, by allowing the absorption of glucose, it's regulate the blood sugar level in the human body. Okay, next one is glucagon. Glucagon is a hormone. It's also produced in the pancreas. Glucagon raises the blood sugar level by stimulating the liver to release the stored glucose. Okay, when the blood sugar level is decreased in the human body, it's stimulating for the release of stored glucose. Then it's increases the blood sugar level in the body. Okay, next one is adrenaline hormone. Adrenaline hormones like cortisol and epinephrine and so on. So first we know about the cortisol. It's produced by the adrenal glands. Cortisol helps to regulate the metabolism, blood sugar level and the body's response to stress. Okay. It is produced in which gland? The cortisol is produced in the adrenal gland. Okay. Adrenal gland, it's produce the cortisol. This cortisol helps to regulate the metabolism, blood sugar level and the body's response to stress. Next one is epinephrine or adrenaline and noradrenaline. These hormones are produced in the adrenal glands, are involved in body's fight or flight response, increasing the heart rate and blood pressure. What is the vital function of epinephrine or norepinephrine? They asking, you should write. It's help to increase the heart rate and blood pressure and it's involved in the body's fight or flight response. Next, growth hormones. These growth hormones are produced by the pituitary glands. Growth hormone is essential for growth, development and cell regeneration. What is the vital functions of growth hormone? You should write cell regeneration, development and growth in the human body. The another important hormones like melatonin and serotonin. Melatonin is produced in the pineal gland. In which gland melatonin is produced? It's produced in the pineal gland. Melatonin regulates the sleep-awake cycle. What is the function of melatonin? Melatonin is help to regulate the sleep-awake cycle. Which hormone is responsible for sleep-awake cycle in the human body? You should write melatonin is the hormone. It's help to regulate the sleep-awake cycle. Okay. Next one, serotonin. A neurotransmitter and a hormone, serotonin influences mood, appetite and sleep. Which hormone is essential for sleep, appetite and it influences the mood? Serotonin. Okay. Thank you. In this video we are including almost the major hormones of the human body. Okay, thank you.